Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, October 3rd. The Zen story for today is titled The Soundless Flute. The monkey was the first to hear nothing. It tilted its head, ears twitching, tails twitching harder. "Do you hear that?" it whispered. The monk paused mid-step. "Hear what?" "Exactly." They followed the silence uphill, where a crowd had already formed. Farmers with baskets, children clutching rice balls, monks wrapped in indigo cloth. No chanting, no instruments, no call to gather. Just a man sitting on a platform, a flute in his hands. A flute with no holes. The master lifted it to his lips, held a breath, and played. No sound, not even a whisper of air. The monkey squinted, waiting for something, anything to happen. But the crowd listened, eyes wide and soft, as if they were hearing something they had once forgotten. Minutes passed. The master lowered the flute, bowed, and disappeared behind a bamboo screen. The monkey burst out laughing. "That's it? No notes, no melody, no rhythm? He didn't play a thing." One of the children turned to him and said, "He never does." That evening, the monkey found a hollow reed and attempted his own concert. He bowed to bushes, blew dramatically, and mimed applause. The monk said nothing. After the third attempt, the monkey dropped the reed and muttered, "I think mine was better." The monk closed his eyes. "I still hear it," he said. "Hear what?" The monk had already walked off into the trees, the wind parting for him like it had something to say. Now take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a few nice, satisfying breaths in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften it. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. And now take a moment to reflect. What do you hear when there is nothing left to listen to? What do you hear when there is nothing left to listen to? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you, really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with this reflection. What do you hear when there is nothing left to listen to? As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow.